Finally, you have decided to take the first step towards becoming your true self. Life sometimes gets tough, right? But guess what? You are tougher. It's like making a comeback, coming back strong after a rough patch. Think of it like a superhero getting back after a stumble. You've got this. It's not about fancy stuff. It's about real life. You stumble, you rise, and you show the world what you've made of. So get ready to bounce back because you are the hero of your own story. Sit back as I take you through 5 steps that will give you the most incredible comeback of your life. Number 1. Become a ghost. Your whole life is falling apart, yet you still have time to show your face publicly? Laughable. Let me paint a picture of your life real quick so you understand why you are failing. You get up every morning and the first thing you do is pick up your phone. You scroll endlessly on social media, but at the end of the day, you achieve nothing. This online presence is like you escape from reality. And guess who is going back to face reality at the end of the day? Yes, the answer is you. If you sit down thinking someone is coming to your rescue, you have failed. This is the time to go into hiding and reevaluate your life. The first thing to do is to identify your problems and accept you are at fault. Next, draft a proper plan that you must follow through. Do it every single day for at least 6 months and watch your problems fade away. Number 2. Reinvent yourself. Do you want to remain a weakling for the rest of your life or not? The best way to build yourself is to have a role model. As the saying goes, steal like an artist. But this is not restricted to art. It would help if you had someone successful that you aim to be like. If your dreams are big enough, you should strive to surpass them. This is a very good way to the top. The path is not easy regardless. You should not only disappear to solve your existing problems, but you need to put in the work every single day, just like they did. This is also a period to get your life back on track. Think of the man or woman you want to be. Decide on a career path, probably similar to theirs, and work your way to the top. Number 3. A good morning routine. A good morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. You shouldn't be sleeping past 6 a.m. at your age unless you want to remain in misery. You must always rise early every day. This gives you enough time to work out and plan your activities for that day. Take for example Dwayne Johnson. He's a very successful guy. You would be shocked to learn he gets up from bed by 3:30 a.m. every day. This gives him quiet time for his work and it's much easier. You can utilize this quiet time however you see fit. Your head is much clearer when you wake up early. Integrating this into your lifestyle gets you out of your mess faster than you can imagine. Number 4. Avoid procrastination. Becoming successful is all about discipline. Procrastination and success surely don't go together. You should get into the habit of doing something at that moment. The more you push it forward, the more this nasty habit grows within you. It becomes an addiction you can't do without. It may be difficult for some of you because it's already in you. The first step is to create deadlines for each task. You should aim to complete the task before the deadline. If you don't, there should be punishments attached. Do this consistently for a week and watch how you grow out of this habit. Procrastination eats into you deeply and you won't understand till you let go of it. A good example is at the gym. Say you usually go 4 consecutive times a week, but decide to skip a day. You say to yourself, you can always go back the next day. There is no bigger lie than this. You might decide to stay at home the following day. You see how quickly procrastination can ruin your life? So always stick to your routine, no matter what. Number 5. Have the best mindset. If you want to get to your peak, staying disciplined is crucial. For example, if you commit to 10 reps but stop at 7, that might reflect in other areas of your life. So sticking to tasks is critical. During this journey, consistency at the gym is essential for improving your physique. Also upgrade your knowledge by reading books and listening to podcasts. It helps you progress toward your personal goals. Lastly, evolve your mindset. Don't underestimate yourself. Be confident, take risks, and look up to athletes and successful people who have built a strong mindset. They believe in themselves and there is no limit to what you can achieve with the right attitude. Like the video and subscribe to this channel to get the best version of yourself.